Ellsbury from Acrylic Art Paintings. Welcome to my channel.
Okay, I have burgundy, yellow, white, orange, neon, and two colors of green. The others already have medium, so I'm going to use Elmer's glue straight from the bottle, 1 part of paint, 1 part of glue in each color. And I'm going to now incorporate the paint with the glue. See, just easy peasy. And now I am going to add water. Now that all of the colors are incorporated with the medium, I'm going to add water with this baby spoon, just 1 teaspoon, and I'm gonna mix it up. If it's too thick, like now, as you can see, it's way too thick, just simply keep adding a little bit of teaspoon, a little bit of water at a time until it reaches the right consistency. As you can see right here, it's like a thread and it doesn't break. Very good. So now I'm going to use my white. Oh, by the way, this is lattice or house paint, which already has medium in it. And I'm going to smear it through my canvas. So I'm gonna do it off camera, but I did want to show you this step. Okay, I turn my canvas around and I'm gonna start with the burgundy color. And I'm going to start making some sort of flowery pattern in here. See, I like this technique, and so far I don't think I have it in my channel. I do like it, but also one of my friends in Argentina loves this technique. So I wanted to say hi to Mary and say how much I appreciate her, and she's always so supportive. And she's also an art teacher. She has a little workshop where she teaches a bunch of students. So she teaches this technique. So shout out to you, Mari, and keep the good work going. So now I am applying the orange color in the same kind of pattern. I really like that burgundy. What do you think? I like that burgundy. Anyway, I saw this video. I'm sure you guys have seen it too. It's this lady did this kind of technique with this kind of pattern. She did it differently a little bit because she created two sides. Now yellow, and then she did one on the other. I did not want to do that. I wanted to do this a little differently, but it's something that I've had on my mind for a while. And when I saw her video, I'm like, I have to try this. So now I'm going to apply the neon yellow in there, just to give it a little pop of life in there. I think it's gonna be a nice contrast with the burgundy. There we go. Okay, I think that's good. Now I'm gonna be working with the dark green for leaves. And remember, I mean, this is nothing fancy. Yes, fluid art is unpredictable, you know, but that doesn't mean we can't have fun with it. You know, if I can do it, so can you. I'm telling you. I don't know how to draw. So I'm kind of just drawing some lines in here, putting some lines in here with my wood stick to resemble leaves. you know, outside of the flower. Or you can also do sets of uneven number, like 1, 3, 5. And now I'm going to add the lighter green for more color. There we go. So tell me, what's your favorite technique in fluid art? Also, as I do this, I wanted to welcome our new subscribers. Man, last month I have been so blessed. We have so many good, new friends. And so please welcome to my channel. And thank you for giving me some minutes of your precious time to make me company as I do my crazy projects here. If you have any questions, I'll be more than happy to answer them and help you out in anything I can. So please, please feel welcome. So now, of course, those who know me, I'm always finding an excuse to use gold and glitter in my pours, in my paintings. So here I am once again, trying to incorporate gold in this one. There we go, and maybe a little bit inside. There we go. Now I'm using this cardboard. It's bigger than the canvas, and I just want to make sure that I'm not going to have air bubbles in it. So I'm trying to get all of that air out and really incorporate the paint in there. So I'm kind of gently going through this and getting those air bubbles out. And something I forgot to mention is this paint does not require silicone. Oh, look at that. What do you think? Oh my gosh, I love those colors. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna turn it around and I'll let you see it. Oh, I really like it. What do you think? Tell me. Tell me how much you like it, and just hit that like button in there if you liked it. If you like the colors. In my opinion, it needs more green, but I'm also gonna give you another tip that if you don't like it like this, you can also blow the edge and give it more of a flower bouquet look or design. See how the green is stretching in there? It looks more like a leaf. So I like this blowing technique. I don't do it very often, but I do like it. I do like the effect, especially in the edges like I'm doing here, because it looks like it spreads and it takes a pretty form, pretty shape. See, now it looks like it's a bunch of flowers clustered together in there. I like this technique. I don't think I do it enough. So maybe I will consider doing a little bit more of this. What do you think? All right, so now I am going to add a little bit more green, because I think at the bottom, or for you guys, at the top, it looks more, it needs a little more green, guys. What do you think? I think it does. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to start with the darker green. And then, see, that area right there, I think it will benefit from some color. Now I'm going to add the lighter green. Then I'm getting hungry. I've been painting today, so haven't had time to eat yet. Anyway, you know, gotta have our priorities. painting over food. Okay, so this is just a piece of bond paper that I'm going to use in here to do the dip. Now carefully, I'm going to peel it off. And I don't like it. So if you were me, what would you do if you had this in your pour? Tell me. Me, I am going to add a little bit of white in here. And I think I'm going to try to incorporate a little bit more gold in there. And maybe around some, I don't know, some little highlights of gold. You know me, I love gold, I love glitter, and I find any possible excuse to incorporate them in my projects. So I like this little baby spoon, see? It's very easy to do designs and it's kind of cute. So I think I'm gonna keep it and I'm gonna continue working on this. Meanwhile, I'm going to invite you to like and share. It helps out a lot if other people encounter the same things and then they get stuck and they don't know what to do. And so hopefully my experiences, these videos would give you ideas on how to relax a little bit and just work with the painting, work with what the art gives us. If you haven't done so yet, I'll invite you to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. Here's the dry painting. I use the Mod Podge, the gloss one for decoupage. And I really like how shiny it looks. See, you can see here and how vibrant the colors look. But look at how it looks in the postboard. I absolutely love it. So tell me whether you like this as #1 or the canvas as #2. So thank you for joining me today. If you decide to try this technique, come and share it with us in our group on Facebook. Till then, keep painting.